Hello, Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hamza Rajput. Today we can discuss about how you can decide your business name with the help of AI tool. First of all, you can open your Chrome browser and type here namelix.com. Click on the first link and type here what was your business. Write here your keyword. For example, my business is about tech. Click on the generate button and select your name style. For example, I can select the two words and next select generation randomness. We can select high and brand info. We can generate our brand info about tech digital and click on the generate button. See guys, we can generate a lot of names about my tech business. Thank you to watch my videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.